We're trying our hand at building one of those washing machine tub fire pits. This is early progress. We got the tub out of it, but we found there was no way to remove this hard plastic outer casing on the bottom here. And it looks like this is metal, and I believe this is metal underneath here. Or hard plastic. And we're gonna just do an experiment. Lighting a fire in there, see if we can melt it out of there. It's raining plastic. We're just gonna get close. Okay. That's actually pretty sweet. Oh my gosh. The carnage. R.I.P. my lungs. Wow, it's very hot. Very, very hot. Whoa. Awesome. All right, let's take a look. This is burned out. Let's just knock all this stuff off. Oh, yep, so it was just no bottom. All right, we gotta do some thinking then on how we're gonna make a fire pit. It does look like there was a metal piece under here, a star-shaped guy. That boy's stuck. This is Luke. He came up with ingenious brick formation. 26 bricks. They're all the same piece. 2 bricks, 2 bricks, 2 bricks. You got a square in the middle, and we glued all these together with construction adhesive. Built for fireplaces. Can withstand a lot more high temperatures. First, we gotta fill in that middle spot by splitting a brick. Okay, ready? Normally what you do is you just create score marks along where you want it to snap. And then you do one big last whack to split it all the way. That was a better one, right? It's not perfect. It's still gonna be tight, buddy. We're gonna have to move them a little bit. Let's go assemble it over there. The alcohol to wipe off the whatever dust is on here. I don't know if it's gonna matter, but just to try to get it cleaner. We have what looks kind of like rust, but I don't know. Okay, some stuff came off on it. Who knows? This might be totally failure. Using Rust-Oleum high heat for this, and I don't know how many coats we're gonna get, but we're gonna try. It looks cool. Okay. Well, I like the little washy holes, yeah. And there we go. It's not the most attractive thing in the world, but it's functional. I like the design we have. I thought it was kind of interesting with the bricks here to keep it from flipping over in the wind. Hopefully it helps you out or gives you some ideas for your project. This is Josh saying, get out there and go do some stuff.